Here is a number for you, $700,000. That is roughly how much it costs the taxpayers to operate a manned U.S. destroyer for just one day. It requires a crew of 300 sailors, food, supplies, and massive amounts of fuel. Now look at this. This is the DARPA Sea Hunter. It costs about $20,000 a day to operate, and the number of sailors on board, 0. Today we are looking at the ghost ship that has officially graduated from a science experiment to a frontline weapon in 2026. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't eat, and it is hunting submarines right now. The Sea Hunter is technically called a medium displacement unmanned surface vessel, MDUSV. Built by Leidos, it looks like a racing yacht because of its trimaran design, a main hull with 2 outriggers. This makes it incredibly stable in rough seas. It's 132 feet long and hits a top speed of 27 knots. But the most impressive stat is its endurance. A human crew gets tired. A human crew needs to return to port for food. The Sea Hunter can stay at sea for months at a time. It has a range of 10,000 nautical miles. It can leave San Diego, sail all the way to Tokyo, hang around for a few weeks and come back, all on a single tank of gas without a single human stepping foot on deck. So what does it actually do? Its primary job is in its name, Sea Hunter. It was built to solve a specific nightmare for the U.S. Navy: ultra-quiet diesel-electric submarines from potential adversaries like China or Russia. Tracking these subs usually ties up expensive destroyers. The Sea Hunter acts as a relentless stalker. Using advanced sonar and radar, it finds a submarine and just follows it. It doesn't need to shoot. It just needs to never let go. It beams the location data back to the fleet, essentially saying, "He is right here. Send the aircraft when you're ready." It is a sensor node that turns the entire ocean into a transparent grid. Now you might be asking, is this safe? The Sea Hunter uses advanced AI to follow maritime laws, COLREGS. It can autonomously navigate around other ships without crashing. And as for weapons, currently, the Sea Hunter itself is primarily a sensor platform, not a shooter. However, it is part of the Navy's larger Ghost Fleet ecosystem. While its big brothers, like the Overlord class, are testing missile launchers, the Sea Hunter's job is to be the eyes that guide the fist. This isn't sci-fi anymore. As of early 2026, the Sea Hunter and its twin, the Seahawk, are no longer experimental. The Navy has moved them under fleet control. One of these vessels is slated to deploy with a carrier strike group this year. This is a historic shift. For the first time, unmanned surface vessels are operating alongside nuclear carriers as standard assets. The Sea Hunter proves that in modern warfare, you don't always need the biggest ship. You just need the smartest one. It's cheap, it's tireless, and it's always watching. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.